Give me a second. I'm here to get my head away. My friends are in the back and getting higher, getting my love, she's ready for me. Just cross my side. Now she's been taken by some sunglasses. Asking that was kind. And I know I gave you too much today. I know you're trying to forget. But between drinks and celebrating, your house and my apologies. I'm trying hard to take it back. By the time the bottles is in fear for him, so I'll carry you home tonight. So let's set this world on fire. Talking about fire. Then sun. Tonight. We are young. So let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. Now I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess I just thought, but maybe we can find a way to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a cap. 'Cause I found someone to carry me home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young. So let's set the world on fire. Come burn brighter than the sun. Carry me home tonight. Carry me home tonight. Let come tonight. Just carry me home tonight. Oh, the world is on my side. I have no reason to run. So will someone come and carry me home tonight? The angels never watch. I can hear it, the choir. So will someone come and carry me home tonight? We are young. Let the world on fire. We can burn brighter down the sun tonight. We are young, so set the world on fire. Talk about brighter than the sun. Carry me home tonight. You will. Peace.